Hi guys, thank you for joining this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get a response from a REST service which works on get HTTP method. So before we start on this, let's review the last tutorial we did. In that tutorial, we just saw how to write a REST client Java program which was working on the post request. So what we did was we were hitting a uh, web service, REST web service, which was being served on this URL, and that REST service was expecting JSON data as the input, and the output of that REST service was also JSON, and we were posting books object and returning back a list of books. Okay. Now we will modify this client to get a simple XML object, and we will see how to do it in Java client. So let's try to see what is the REST service which it will be hitting. So I have opened the REST service. This REST service is a very simple service. It is just working on the path slash get XML, and what it does is it says get book as XML. That means it will return a book object as XML data. So I'm instantiating a book object like this. Book equals new book. Give a name and a serial number and just return a book. So that's all in this web service. So we will see how to write a Java client for this service. This service doesn't, as you can see, doesn't get any input parameter. It is just returning hard-coded book. That's all. So what I'll do is I'll go here. I'll copy this and paste it over here, and let's call it get client. Okay. Now I'll open it. Okay. What is the URL? It says slash get XML. So I can copy this, come here. First of all, I will copy it here. Now I don't need these complex objects, so I can remove these all. Okay. So this is our resource, or this is client resource. So this is the entire URL. Now what is the input type of this? Let's see. So I go here. What is the input type? It is, so for that you should look for @consumes. Do I see anything? No. That means this REST service doesn't take any input. So what I can do is I'll say I don't need uh, the type. Okay, I don't need a type. So type means the input. Okay, what is the output type? Output type is XML. So I will say accept application underscore XML. Fine. Okay. And what kind of method it is? It is get method. So instead of post, we'll say get. Okay. So, and what is the output of this? Again, we'll go to this class and see. So output is a book class. So we'll say book, and this is the response. And since this is book, this is expecting what kind of data to be presented here. So I'll say book dot class here. Okay. So this is the REST service. Now once we have got the data, we will just print out that. So we don't need this, and we'll just say response. Fine. Now let's remove the unwanted imports. So what we will do is we will now clean the project and start the server. So let's start the server. So it's restarted it, and let's try to run it again and see. So run an Java application, and as you can see, it's successfully able to retrieve the book object, and now we are printing it. So just to recall, what are the steps we did is we created a REST client resource, and in that resource we said, okay, I'm going to accept XML data from this REST service. Because why I said it? Because this REST service returns XML, produces XML. Okay, then I said, okay, I want to get book class, or get, I want to call a get method, and I'm expecting a book class, a book object of book class. So I'm just assigning it over here. Okay, and I'm printing it. So that's all I had for this lesson. I hope this is useful to you, and in case you found it useful, please like my video and also provide your suggestions in the comment section, and also please subscribe to my channel. So till next time, happy learning, and see you again. Bye. Thank you.